So, good afternoon, ma'am. My name is Mark Christian Villadilla from base ID3J. So, ang gagawin ko po ngayon, ma'am, is yung laboratory examination, which is yung reaction video. So, ang ginawa ko po dito, ma'am, is gumawa na lang po ako ng PowerPoint presentation para explain ko po sa iyo na malinaw po. So, proceed na po ako sa presentation, which is ito. Ito po yung napili kong title, which is Target, PCI, and DSS Bridge. So, number one, so cardholder data environment or CDE. So, understanding the attack vector is essential for preventing future breaches. So, attackers can breach system through a variety of means, whether via malware, social engineering, weak password, or exploiting software vulnerabilities. So, dito daw po, ma'am, is ito yung bahagi ng system na nag-iimbak or nagpoproseso o nagtatransmit ng cardholder or cardholder data or CHD tulad ng credit and debit card info. So, dito din po nakafocus ang security para maiwasan po ang breach. So, proceed na po tayo sa slide number 2. What immediate actions were taken to contain the breach and prevent further damage? So, this question addresses the immediate response to a breach. After discovering the breach, it is crucial to quickly isolate affected systems, block any further unauthorized access, and contain the incident. So, pag may breach po, agad na hiwalayin o i-isolate ang apektadong system or i-block ang unauthorized access at pigilan ang dumadagdag pang mga damage. Dito na tayo. So, was a forensic investigation conducted to identify the full extent of the breach and prevent future incidents. So, a forensics investigation involves hiring external cybersecurity experts to trace the origin and impact of the breach. So, this investigation will often include lab analysis, system audits, and interviews to determine the cause of the breach and the exact data that was exposed or accessed. So, dito daw po is nag-hire ng cybersecurity expert para alamin po kung saan nagsisimula ang breach or anong data ang naapektuhan at paano ito nangyayari. Pwede magsama ng log analysis or system audit at interview. So, dito sa last na pong page. So, was cardholder data or CHD transmitted, stored, or processed during a breach? So, this question focuses on whether the com- compromised data was actively being used or stored when the breach occurred. So, the PCI DSS standard requires organization to secure cardholder data, whether stored in transit. So, dito daw po is tinitignan kung may CHD na na-store or napaprocess or natatransmit na nangyayari ang breach. Mahalaga po dito is para malaman kung may panganib sa customer or customer data at para masunod ang PCI DSA security standards. So, yun lang po, ma'am. Thank you po. Sana may naiintindihan ko kayo sa reaction video ko. Thank you po.